Did you know that just 2 minutes a day could completely transform your life after 65? Imagine stepping out of bed each morning with legs that feel strong, steady, and ready to carry you through the day. You walk to the kitchen with confidence, climb stairs without hesitation, and maybe even chase after your grandkids without worrying about losing your balance. But for so many people over 65, weak legs sneak up like a quiet thief, stealing their independence one shaky step at a time. One day you're moving with ease, and the next you're struggling to get up from a chair, or feeling unsteady on your feet. The truth is, you don't have to accept this as just a part of aging. There's a simple 2-minute daily exercise that can restore your leg strength, boost your balance, and keep you active and independent for years to come. In this video, we're going to reveal this life-changing exercise, show you exactly how to do it, and explain why it works so well. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a surprising mistake most seniors make that could sabotage their efforts to stay strong. By the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to start rebuilding your leg strength today and reclaim the freedom to live life on your terms. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about why leg strength is so critical after 65. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. They get you out of bed, carry you through your daily routines, and let you enjoy the things you love, whether it's gardening, walking to the park, or dancing at a family gathering. But as we age, our leg muscles naturally start to weaken. After 65, muscle loss can accelerate, making even simple tasks feel like a challenge. Maybe you've noticed it already. Your legs feel heavier, stairs seem harder to climb, or you're not as steady as you used to be. Take Emma, a 67-year-old who loved her morning walks with her dog. Over time, she started feeling wobbly, and her walks got shorter because she was afraid of falling. Then there's David, a 69-year-old who always stayed active, mowing his lawn and tinkering in his garage. But one day, he realized he couldn't stand up from his favorite armchair without using his arms to push himself up. These stories are all too common. Weak legs don't just limit your movement, they increase your risk of falls, which can lead to serious injuries like hip fractures, hospital stays, or even a permanent loss of independence. Falls are the leading cause of injury for seniors, with over 3 million emergency room visits each year in the US alone. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it doesn't take hours at the gym or fancy equipment. Just 2 minutes a day of the right exercise can rebuild your legs and give you back your confidence. So what is this powerful 2-minute exercise that can restore your leg strength? It's called the step up. And don't let its simplicity fool you. This move is a game changer for strengthening your legs, improving your balance, and keeping you steady on your feet. Here's how it works. Find a sturdy step like the bottom stair in your home or a low, stable platform. Stand in front of it with your feet hip-width apart. Place your right foot fully on the step. Press through your heel and lift your body up until your right leg is straight, bringing your left foot to rest lightly on the step. Then, slowly lower yourself back down, leading with your left foot. That's 1 rep. Switch sides, stepping up with your left foot, and alternate for 2 minutes, doing as many controlled reps as you can. If you're new to this, you might only manage 6 or 8 reps at first. That's perfectly okay. The key is to move slowly, keep your core engaged, and focus on form, not speed. Emma, the dog walker I mentioned, started doing step-ups every morning while her coffee brewed. Within 2 weeks, she felt her legs getting stronger, and she was back to her full walks with her dog, no longer worried about tripping. David tried it too, and after a month, he was standing up from his armchair without needing his arms at all. The step-up works because it targets all the major muscles in your legs, your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while also challenging your balance and coordination. It mimics everyday movements like climbing stairs or stepping over obstacles, so it directly improves your ability to stay active and independent. If you're still watching and finding this valuable, please comment "step up" below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us keep creating content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's dive into why the step-up is so effective, especially after 65. As we age, our bodies go through a natural process called sarcopenia, where muscle mass and strength decline. Studies show that after 65, you can lose up to 3 to 5% of your muscle mass each year if you don't take action. That's why so many seniors find their legs giving out, even if they've always been active. The step-up fights back by engaging your leg muscles in a way that's both powerful and practical. Unlike high-impact exercises like running or jumping, which can be tough on aging joints, the step-up is low-impact and uses your body weight for resistance. It also strengthens your stabilizing muscles, which are crucial for balance. Research backs this up. A study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that seniors who did step-based exercises like this one improved their leg strength by 30% in just 8 weeks and reduced their fall risk by nearly 50%. That's the kind of result that can keep you independent, active, and confident for years, and it all starts with 2 minutes a day. But here's the surprising mistake I promised to share. And it's something most seniors don't even realize they're doing. When trying to strengthen their legs, many people focus only on the exercise itself and ignore how they move the rest of the day. They might do their 2-minute step-ups in the morning, then spend hours sitting on the couch, in a recliner, or at the kitchen table, barely moving. Sitting for long periods is one of the worst things you can do for your leg strength. It causes your muscles to stiffen, reduces blood flow to your legs, and cancels out the benefits of your exercise. Think about Linda, a 70-year-old who started doing step-ups every day. She felt great after her morning routine, but by afternoon she was back to her old habits, sitting for hours watching TV or reading. After a few weeks, she was frustrated because her legs still felt weak, and she was tempted to give up. The problem wasn't the step-ups, it was the lack of movement afterward. Your legs need regular activity throughout the day to stay strong. That doesn't mean you have to be on your feet all the time, but small changes can make a huge difference. Try standing up and walking around for a minute or two every hour. Do a quick stretch while you're waiting for the kettle to boil. Even these tiny bursts of movement keep your muscles engaged and build on the strength you're gaining from your step-ups. Combine this with your 2-minute routine, and you'll see results that will shock you. If you're still with me, please comment "Keep moving" below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's talk about another reason the step-up is so powerful. It doesn't just strengthen your legs, it rebuilds your confidence. Weak legs can make you feel hesitant, even afraid. You might start avoiding activities you love, like walking to the store or dancing at a wedding because you're worried about tripping or not keeping up. That fear can trap you in a cycle where you move less, which only makes your legs weaker. The step-up breaks that cycle. As your legs get stronger, you'll notice you're walking with more purpose, standing taller, and feeling less anxious about everyday movements. Take Sarah, a 68-year-old who used to love line dancing with her friends. She stopped because her legs felt unsteady and she didn't want to fall in front of everyone. After 3 weeks of step-ups, she felt stable enough to try dancing again, and one night she surprised her friends by joining them on the dance floor. That's what this exercise does. It gives you back the confidence to live life fully, not just the ability to move better. Now, what if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not sure I can do it? Maybe you have knee pain, arthritis, or haven't exercised in years. Don't let that stop you. The step-up is adaptable to almost any fitness level. If stepping up onto a stair feels too challenging, start with a lower surface, like a thick book or a small stool, and hold onto a railing or a sturdy chair for support. If balance is an issue, keep both hands on a support and focus on slow, controlled movements. And if standing is tough, you can even try a seated version. Sit in a chair, press one foot into the floor as if you're about to step up, and hold for a few seconds before switching sides. This still works your leg muscles and builds strength over time. The point is to start where you are and keep going. Studies show that even seniors with mobility challenges can improve their leg strength by 20% in 6 weeks with exercises like these, as long as they stay consistent. So don't let doubt hold you back. 2 minutes a day is all it takes, and you're stronger than you think. If you're finding this helpful, please comment 2 minutes below to let me know you're still here. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and turn on the bell to stay in the loop. Let's talk about how to make this 2-minute habit stick, because that's where the real transformation happens. The easiest way to ensure you do your step-ups every day is to tie them to something you already do. Maybe you do them right after brushing your teeth in the morning or while you're waiting for the evening news to start. Linking the exercise to an existing routine makes it feel automatic, so you're less likely to skip it. Keep your step-up spot clear and accessible, maybe at the bottom of your staircase or near a low platform in your home, so you don't have to rearrange anything to get started. And here's a tip that worked for Emma. Track your progress. Jot down how many reps you do each day or how your legs feel after a week. Seeing small wins, like doing 1 extra rep or feeling less shaky, will keep you motivated. Emma started keeping a little notebook by her coffee maker, marking her reps and adding a note about how she felt. That simple act made her excited to keep going, and now she's walking farther with her dog than she has in years. But what about those days when you're just not feeling it? Maybe you're tired, or your joints are achy. Here's the truth. Even 1 minute of step-ups is better than nothing. If 2 minutes feels like too much, do what you can and call it a victory. The goal is to keep the habit alive because every rep counts. And always listen to your body. If you feel pain beyond normal muscle soreness, ease up and talk to your doctor to make sure the exercise is right for you. For most people, though, steps are safe, effective, and life-changing. Imagine this. In just a few weeks, you could be walking to the mailbox without that wobbly feeling, climbing stairs with less effort, or even dancing with your friends like Sarah. That's not just stronger legs, that's a stronger, freer you. If you're still watching, please comment "Stronger Me" below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and turn on the bell to catch our next video. Let's explore another benefit of the step-up that you might not expect. It boosts your overall health, not just your legs. When you do this exercise, you're not only strengthening your muscles, you're improving your heart health, circulation, and even your mood. Regular movement like this increases blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs, keeping them functioning at their best. It also releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that lift your spirits and reduce stress. Studies show that seniors who do short bursts of exercise like step-ups have lower blood pressure, better cholesterol levels, and a 25% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who stay sedentary. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you get from sticking to your 2-minute routine can make you feel more energized and optimistic about the future. Take James, a 71-year-old who started step-ups after noticing he was getting winded just walking to his car. After a month, not only were his legs stronger, but he also felt more alert and happier during the day. He even started smiling more, which his family noticed right away. That's the power of this simple exercise. It doesn't just change your body, it changes how you feel about yourself. Let's address one more concern. What if you're worried about doing the step-up wrong or not seeing results fast enough? It's normal to want quick changes, but strength building takes time, especially after 65. The key is consistency, not perfection. Focus on doing the exercise correctly. Keep your movements slow, your core engaged, and your weight in your heels. If you're not sure you're doing it right, ask a family member to watch you or check your form in a mirror, and don't get discouraged if you don't feel like Superman after a week. Most seniors start noticing small improvements, like less stiffness or better balance, within 2 to 3 weeks. Bigger changes, like climbing stairs with ease or walking longer distances, often come after a month or 2. The important thing is to keep at it. Research shows that even small, consistent efforts, like 2 minutes of exercise a day, can lead to significant strength gains over time. Emma didn't feel much different after her first week of step-ups, but by week 3, she was walking faster and feeling steadier. That's the magic of sticking with it. Small steps lead to big results. If you're still here, please comment "small steps" below to let me know you're with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's talk about how to take your step-ups to the next level once you're comfortable with the basics. If you've been doing your 2 minutes a day for a couple of weeks and feeling stronger, you can add a little challenge to keep progressing. Try holding light hand weights. Something as simple as a couple of water bottles to increase the resistance. Or increase your hold time at the top of the step up by a second or two to work your muscles harder. If you're feeling really confident, try doing these step-ups without holding onto anything for support, as long as you're sure of your balance. These small tweaks keep your muscles challenged and prevent plateaus, so you keep getting stronger over time. Just be sure to progress gradually and listen to your body to avoid overdoing it. David, the guy who struggled with his armchair, started adding a pair of 2-pound weights to his step-ups after a month. It made the exercise feel a bit tougher, but he noticed his legs were even stronger, and he was mowing his lawn again without feeling worn out. That's the beauty of this exercise. It grows with you, keeping you strong as you age. Now let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. Weak legs don't have to define your life after 65. With just 2 minutes a day of step-ups, you can rebuild your strength, improve your balance, and rediscover the confidence to move through life the way you want. The mistake so many seniors make is thinking weak legs are inevitable, or that staying strong requires hours of effort. You now know that's not true. 2 minutes, a sturdy step, and a commitment to keep moving are all you need. So here's my challenge to you. Try step-ups tonight. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Find a step and give it a shot. Pay attention to how your legs feel afterward. Then do it again tomorrow, and the day after that. In a week, you'll start noticing a difference, and in a month, you might feel like you've turned back the clock. This isn't about becoming an athlete. It's about staying independent, staying active, and staying you. Thank you for joining me today. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned from this video and how you plan to use it. Maybe it's trying step-ups for the first time, or making a plan to move more during the day. Your thoughts are so important to us, and reading your comments keeps us motivated to create more content like this. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Your support helps us reach more people and inspire them to live stronger, healthier lives. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.